In the previous video, we learned how we can reset changes and undo anything what we did in our system. We committed it and saved to Git. And in this video, we will go deeper to git reset command and find out how it works and how can we use it. In Git, we have 3 levels of saving data. It's a file system, just added this file to the system. Then we can add this file to index or staging area. We need to call command git add. And after that, we can commit this file with the command git commit. So we're moving our file changes from one level to another one. With command git reset, we can move these changes back to the index and file system level. So git reset has a couple of flags. Soft is the safest flag. It moves your changes from commit to index, and it's the best way if you do not want to lose something. By default, git reset works with mixed flag, and it moves directly to file system, and your file will be untracked for git. And there is flag hard. Git reset hard, it deletes your changes completely. So be careful with this command, because in case you will use it, it will delete your changes, your files, and you cannot restore it. Let's go to our Git and try to change something. So we are in our Git, let's check Git status. We have one modified file, let's git add it and git commit flag and the message related to readme. So let's check git status. So right now we have nothing, and let's take a look what do we have. Let's edit our song.txt. Nano song.txt, and so we added one file. Let's save it, and for example, check git status again. It's modified. Let's edit and commit. So now we commit, we can check git status again, it's fine. Let's clear it, and let's try to git reset soft, how it works. So we call git reset is flag soft, and say how many commits we want back. It will be head tilde 1. We will go one commit back, and now git status. So we see that we have this song.txt file we changed before, and it's modified. Let's check what's inside. So everything is inside. We see that a new line and a new part of the song is added. In case we will open git GUI, let's rescan. We see that this file is already in stage changes, and we can see this new part what we added. So, and again we can commit this file. Let's commit it. And let's check git log. So we can see that we have added new line again, and it was the last commit. Also for git log, I will show you one small comment. It's git log with the flag pretty one line. In this case, we can see that we have all commits in one line. We know where's our head and the last commit. We will use it later. Okay, and flag mixed is what we have by default. So let's try to git reset mixed and had the same caret, one commit back, and we see that unstaged changes its song.txt. Let's check this file. It's a git status. This one is modified, and in case you will open git scan, again we see that this file with the same changes, it's unstaged. and we can get song.txt. We see the same file and with the same change. Also, if you need remove it, you can git checkout or everything what you need. But again, let's commit it. Commit. So git status. So as you see, we cannot commit because we didn't add it. So don't forget to git add and git status. And like right now we can commit it. It's fine. So let's clear. And right now we will test git reset hard. Git log. One line, we have this new commit, and let's call git reset hard and go one commit back. Now it shows that head is now at A704. It's this one. It's this one, SHA1 commit token ID, and let's check again log pretty. So we have now the previous commit, git status. We have no changes, and check LSL song.txt. Let's check what we have inside. So we can see that just new line, and we have no our latest changes. Everything was removed, and we have just previous version. So if you need just delete your commit, you can use this command, but be careful. It may be dangerous.